A lot of furniture makers, I believe, in Europe use it, but for some reason here in the States, it's just not used, and I don't know why. I'm just doing a quick video to show people what it is. They may have never heard of it, and this was just a quick test of stains that I had. Is there anybody out there that's using beech for anything? I would really like to know. Do you make baseball bats out of it? Do you make furniture? What kind of cool stuff do you make with beech? 5 different ways I stained it with different stains. I like this material a lot. It's easy to sand. I don't understand why this material isn't used more often. Here's a closer look at it. I just wetted this side so you could see what it would look like if it was clear. If you have any comments at all, can you put them in the section below? I hope that doesn't dry all weird. I need to clean this door up because it's a sample.